We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam. I'm working with a Brother HL5470DW. So the first thing first, you want to open your tray. You kind of want to see where your jam might be at. So if you see it right here, you can easily just pull it out slowly. It there. The next place you want to check is going to be the back. So you want to open this bad boy up. If it's here, you will definitely see it. You can just take it, pull it up and out. You want to go slowly when you're clearing a jam, because if you go kind of fast, you may rip some pieces of paper off in there, or you could damage a sensor, causing more paper jams. Also, it would also cause you to have to put your printer in for a service. Then if you aren't seeing it there, the next place you want to check is you'll press this button to open the front hatch and then pull your toner and drum out. It would be right here. So with this one, if you just take it and yank it out, it's going to go against the paper path, so you need to kind of curl it over and then pull up and out, because it's going to be facing this way, so then you need to pull the paper like that. If you guys are having a lot of paper jams, it may be time to put your printer in for a service. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.